Hey there, students. Welcome to my channel Insightful Brain. In this video, we will explore the ultimate guide on balancing your social life with your studies. We all know that finding the right balance between having fun and excelling academically can be quite the challenge, but fear not. Today, we've got 9 awesome tips to help you master the art of juggling both worlds. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, time management is your best friend. Prioritize your tasks, set realistic goals, and create a study schedule. Allocate time for studies and make sure to include short breaks to recharge your mind. Second, social life is essential for your well-being. Surround yourself with supportive friends who understand the importance of your studies and encourage you to succeed. Third, participate in extracurricular activities that interest you, but remember to strike a balance. Choose activities that complement your studies and don't overload yourself with commitments. Fourth, embrace technology. Use study apps and productivity tools to stay organized, set reminders, and track your progress. It'll make your life so much easier. Fifth, studying with friends can be both fun and beneficial. Collaborate on projects, quiz each other, and discuss challenging topics. Learning together can be incredibly rewarding. Sixth, don't limit yourself to just one study spot. Mix it up. Sometimes study in the library, sometimes at a cafe, or even outdoors. Changing your environment can boost your motivation and creativity. Seventh, keep a study life balance journal. Reflect on your progress, celebrate your achievements, and identify areas for improvement. This will help you fine-tune your approach. Eighth, remember, relaxation is crucial for maintaining balance. Take breaks to unwind, do activities you enjoy, and give yourself permission to recharge. Ninth, finding the right balance between your social life and studies is all about being flexible, disciplined, and making intentional choices. So, set your goals, manage your time wisely, and don't forget to have some fun along the way. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay balanced and stay awesome.